Yeah.
another crossing.
Okay.
I don't really understand what he's doing. And this one's hard to see because this person's fence and we're low. So just kind of watch for cars.
Right. That was almost like I knew what I was doing. Wow, that's beautiful. Cool little town.
Yeah.
You've lived here all your life?
Yep.
Wow.
My dad's family was military, so when they told him that he couldn't join because his eyes are bad, he decided just to stay put. So my brother went military and I stayed here.
Well, it's a beautiful area.
My only complaint is stores and restaurants don't really stick around.
No. Got a big turnover, huh?
Yeah.
No, I was born in Pasadena, California, and grew up in the suburbs of LA.
This is a crossing too.
Okay.
It's just not a good How fast are we going?
15. The red thing is under the 20.
When we get down here to the tunnel, we gotta slow down to 8 to enter
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Now, 20 years ago, I wanted to go see LA, but I don't know, things have gotten so weird lately. California, I've gone to a few places there, and I don't know, it's just a lot.
Yeah. Well, I mean, there's a reason why there's a lot of people in California. It's a wonderful place to live. But it's really expensive now, and, you know, there's just too many people, you know.
We went to Monterey Bay for